Hi, Namaste children. How are you all? Are you fine? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Then in our previous class, we had discussed about the first lesson, the mice that ate iron. In my today's period, I am going to explain you that first lesson, the mice that ate iron. That lesson, first lesson, the mice that ate iron. Okay. Then today, let us, if you have textbooks, please open and sit in front of the mobile or computer. If you don't have textbook, please look at your screen. I am going to display that image on your screen. Please look at it. And paragraph wise I am going to read and I am explaining that immediately soon after reading the paragraph. Okay. Okay. So first lesson, the mice that ate iron. Yeah. First part. Maniram was a merchant. Here you see. Maniram was a merchant. His precious possession was a pair of iron scales. Here are iron scales. So it means weighing machine. It is nothing but weighing machine only. Weighing machine, it may be now electronic weighing machines are there. It is not electronic weighing machine, it is the natural weighing machine. Which one is made of iron? It is here. And he is the Maniram. He was a merchant. Merchant means nothing but one who is selling the things in our surroundings. He is called as a merchant. Maniram was a merchant. He was selling something. And his precious possession was a pair of iron scales. He was the owner of these iron scales, pair of iron scales. So, and for the merchant, weighing machine or weighing scales will be, pair of iron scales will be very important for him to sell the things. Without these things, we cannot weigh anything and we cannot sell anything. So, he has these kind of iron scales, and he was thinking something. What he was thinking here it is, I have to go out of town. I am afraid someone will steal these weighing scales while I am away. When I will not be here, now I am going to reach another place. It means I want to go out of this town. So I have a fear that when I will not be here, somebody, if they come and take my weighing scale, what happens? So like that he was thinking. Then what he did, he wanted to ask for a help to his friend. So how he asked, to whom he asked, it is here. He requested his friend Lakshman to keep them safe for him. His friend was there. His friend's name is Lakshman. Lakshman is his friend's name. He asked help to the Lakshman, his friend Lakshman. Then how he asked, this is all I have left in the world. Please, will you look after my scales? Maniram asked to Lakshman that, so these are the main things of my life. I am living in this world. Now I am living here. Till I come back, will you look after my scales, please? He is asking to his friend Lakshman. Then Lakshman replied, of course, my dear friend, surely I will look after your scales. Then Maniram went off on his journey with an easy mind, but he had a nasty surprise when he returned. So Maniram went off on his journey. Now his problem it is cleared. One who should take care of his balance or that weighing machine till he come back. Okay, till he comes back. So now Lakshman took that task to look after his scales till he comes back. Now that Maniram went off his journey with an easy mind, without any thinking, without keeping anything in his mind. He went off on his journey. Then, but he had a nasty surprise when he returned. Nasty means bad surprise. One of the bad thing happened to him when he came back to his village. What happened? His iron scales were not there. He got surprised. What happened to his iron scales? Now he is asking to his friend Lakshman, what do you mean? You no longer have my scales. What happened? Maniram asked to his friend Lakshman. Then Lakshman replied, I tried to save your scales, but some mice gobbled them up. Mice means nothing but rats. Rats, it is a mouse, it is the singular form. One is there means mouse. Too many considered as mice, we are calling them. Those mice gobbled them up. So your iron scales I kept there. So when I was not there, those mice gobbled them up. What I can do? I wanted to save, I wanted to look after your scales very carefully, but they ate them up. What I can do? Gobbled them means ate. They eaten. What happened now? What I can do now? Then Maniram was no fool. He guessed that Lakshman was lying. He would have to trick Lakshman into admitting the truth. Maniram was not a fool, he was not a stupid. He was one of the clever merchant, an intelligent merchant. So he guessed that Lakshman was lying. Lakshman is saying lie. He understood that Lakshman is saying the lie, and he would have to trick Lakshman into admitting the truth. Somehow, directly, instead of directly asking that you are telling the lie and what is the truth, like that, instead of asking it, what I can do? Somehow, I have to plan that Lakshman he must admitting the truth. What I can do? Like that, Maniram started to think, and he got an idea also, and he says that Maniram says that, never mind, my dear friend, or never mind, my friend. It is just my bad luck. Bad luck. It is my bad luck. So they gobbled them up, no. That mice gobbled them up my scales. No problem. It is my bad luck. You will leave that. Then Lakshman, he thought himself that, thank God. Now Lakshman thought that, thank God. He thought himself, he did not talk loudly that, he thought himself that, thank God, he has accepted my excuse. So now what I said, he believed that, Maniram believed that he is a fool, like that Lakshman thought it. But Lakshman had not thought it would be so easy to fool Maniram. When Maniram asked for a favor, he was happy to agree. Lakshman, he thought that it is very difficult to make him understand that he did not cheat him. But it is not an easy task for him to make him fool. So it was, it became very easy, because Maniram itself, he told that, so okay, it's okay, my dear friend, it is my bad luck only. They gobbled up my iron scales, no, leave it, like that he said, no. Now Lakshman was very happy. And also Maniram asked for the favor of Lakshman, and he said Lakshman, he happily agreed that, because he believed his lie, no. Lakshman's lie believed by the Maniram, so that he was very happy now, Lakshman. Then he got an idea, no, Maniram, to admit the truth. So what that idea was, here it is there. I wanted to bath in the river before I go home. Can your son help carry my things? So it means Maniram is asking to the Lakshman, is asking to the Lakshman that, please send your son. Before going to home, I wanted to have bath. Okay, before I go to home, I wanted to have baths. I want to take bath now. So please send your son to carry my things there. There are so many things I brought. Okay, so till that river, I will take your son to carry these things. He asked to the Lakshman. Lakshman replied, and certainly, okay, my dear friend, certainly, go and help Maniram's son. He told his son that, okay, certainly I will help you, Maniram. And then he told his son, my dear son, please go and help to Maniram. Then Maniram replied, thank you, I will be back soon. Then after his bath, Maniram took the boy home, and locked him inside. Then he went back to Lakshman's house and began to weep loudly. It means after the bath, Maniram, he took that Lakshman's son into his home and he locked him in his house. Inside the house, he sent him inside the house and he locked the door. Now, Lakshman's son was locked in the Maniram's house. Then he went back to Lakshman's house. Now he came to the Lakshman's house and he started to weep loudly, cry. Weep means nothing but cry. He started to cry loudly. Then Lakshman, he saw that Maniram is crying here, and Lakshman asked to him, "What has happened? Where is my son?" Then that Maniram replied, "Oh Lakshman, while I was bathing in the river, a hawk swooped down and carried your son away." And he started to cry again. Okay, that Maniram started to cry again. He said that, he told that, "Oh Lakshman, while I was bathing in the river, a hawk swooped down and carried your son away." It means when I was having the bath, I was bathing in the river, a hawk is nothing but kite, it is a type of eagle, no, hawk. So that kite is swooped down, it came fastly towards the downside, it came fastly and carried your son away, it took away your son. So what I can do? Maniram says. And then Lakshman was beside himself with anger. So he was so angry now, Lakshman, because his son was carried by the hawk. So he says that, is it a believable thing? Can we believe this? No, it is not. It is unbelievable thing. That is why Lakshman says that he shouted at Maniram. Hearing the din, many villagers began to gather around. With loud noise, the din is nothing but with loud noise or with lots of voice, what he started to shout, "Oh my dear friend, you are telling lie, you are a liar, you are a cheat." Here that says, he says that, "Liar, cheater, I don't believe you." Lakshman replied to Maniram, "You are a liar." Lie, it means one who is saying the lies is considered as a liar. Lakshman says Maniram that he is a liar. And cheat, you are a cheat, I don't believe you. I will not believe you, Maniram. You are the cheat, he says. Then Maniram replies, "I tried to save your son, but the hawk flew away." I tried to save your son, my dear Lakshman, friend Lakshman, but that hawk, it flew away. What I can do? It took away your son. What I can do? Lakshman replied. Then here, furious Lakshman dragged Maniram to the Sarpanch. The villagers followed. It means furious. It means with lots of angry, Lakshman took that Maniram. Dragged means he took him to the Sarpanch. Sarpanch is nothing but no one. He is the person, one who is head of the village or head of the panchayat. Village panchayat is called Sarpanch. In your social studies, you are learning Sarpanch. Sarpanch is nothing, is the person, one who is the head of the village panchayat is called Sarpanch. That Lakshman took that Maniram to the Sarpanch, and all the villagers who were gathered there, they followed these two people to the panchayat. Now, what happened? Then Lakshman says like this to the Sarpanchji, "Maniram has kidnapped my son. He must be punished. Tell him to bring back my son at once." Oh my dear Sarpanchji, this Maniram, he has kidnapped my son, and he must bring back my son and give me at once. Please tell him to bring back my son and give. So it is my problem, you have to solve this. Then Sarpanchji, what he says here, you can see, the Sarpanch gazed at Maniram. Gazed is nothing but stared. Stared means looked fixedly. That it means very angrily that Sarpanch looked at Maniram, and he asked to the Maniram that, what have you done with the boy? Maniram, what have you done with the boy, Maniram? It means Sarpanji asked to the Maniram. He was very angry now because he kidnapped his son. He thought that Maniram kidnapped the boy. Then Maniram replied, he was sitting on the river bank while I took a bath. Suddenly, a hawk swooped down and carried the boy away. Maniram replied like this. So he says that he was sitting on the river bank when I was bathing there. That boy was sitting on the bank of the river. Somehow that hawk that swooped down and carried the boy away. What I can do? So now that boy is not there. He is carried out by that kite or then that hawk. The Sarpanch did not believe Maniram. Is it possible to believe? So they got surprised. A small hawk can carry the boy. So what is the weight of the boy and what is the weight of the hawk? Just you can imagine it. So it is unbelievable thing. How can he believe? So Maniram, that Sarpanch also, he got surprised and he asked that. Sarpanch is asking, surely you do not expect me to believe this nonsense. So I am not a nonsense to believe these all the things. It is one of the nonsense thing you are saying. I will not believe this. Sarpanch replied to the Maniram. Then Lakshman is saying, he is a liar. Your honor, he must be punished. Oh my dear, your honor. So Sarpanji, he is a liar. He says only lies always. Please give him punishment. He needs punishment. Like that he said. Then all the villagers gathered around Maniram and asked him to tell the truth. So there were villagers around the Maniram. They were all telling to Maniram, hey Maniram, why you were telling lie? Please tell us the truth. What is the real truth? You tell us, please. Like that they were shouting. And Maniram's reply left everyone except Lakshman mystified. Mystified is nothing but, so what I gave you that meaning of that word already in the list, meanings list, it is there now. Did you see? Once you can check it. Mystified, confused completely. So now those people were completely confused and also Lakshman also confused now. Okay, except Lakshman, all were confused though there. What happened really to that boy? Then here he replies that Maniram, his mice ate my iron scales and I did not raise a even cry. But when a hawk carries away his son, why does he say I lie? It means he is telling that, Maniram is replying that, all the people they were asking, what is the truth? You tell us. But Maniram replied, it's mice. He said that mice ate up my iron scales. He is saying that. And when he said that, I did not make or I did not raise a even cry. Even cry is nothing but I did not tell anything. I accepted simply what he said. Whether it is right or wrong or whether it is believable or unbelievable, I not thought about it. Directly I understood that, okay. I said okay. But when a hawk carries away his son away, why does he say I lie? He is saying now, if I said now, his son was carried by the hawk, or it swooped away by the boy swooped away by the kite. Like that I am saying now. Why he is asking? He is telling that I am lie. He is not a lie. Am I the liar? He is not a liar. Like that he asks. Maniram asks. Then the Sarpanch realized at once that there was more to the story than what Lakshman had said. He spoke kindly to Maniram. Now it means the Sarpanch realized now something happened here. Oh, Maniram is saying something, no? So something happened here. That is why Maniram is saying like that. So I need to ask him. What he asked? Then Sarpanch asked, Maniram, instead of uh, talking in riddles. Why don't you tell me what happened? It is like a riddle. What is the exact what you are going to talk exactly, that we are not understanding. Can you speak up that what happened really? Please tell us. Then Maniram told the Sarpanch and the assembled villagers, gathered villagers. Assembled means gathered. So those all the villagers, how his friend had tried to cheat him. How that Lakshman about that iron scales. He told no iron scales. They mice they may not they can't eat iron scales. They are not that is not a food for mice. Okay, food for the mice. So that he told that he cheated. He tried to cheated me. So is it correct? Is it correct, my dear villagers and Sarpanchji? Like that he asked to that Sarpanch. Then if now that Maniram is saying again, if mice could eat my iron scales, then why can't a hawk fly away with a boy? So if they could eat the iron scales, my iron scales, why can't that eagle can carry that boy and flew away? Or why can't that hawk it can carry the boy? So it is possible. No, that if it is possible means it is also possible. Like that he says. Then the Sarpanch spoke sternly to Lakshman, very angrily to the Lakshman. He says that Lakshman, you cheated Maniram and stole his scales. Stole is nothing but without pre-information to the Maniram, you took away his scales, iron scale. So you were cheated him. So return them to him immediately. Like that Sarpanch replied to that Lakshman. He told to Lakshman. Then Lakshman, what he did, your son, then that our Maniram also he says that your son is safe and sound in my house. I will bring him right away. I just wanted to teach you a lesson. Oh, my dear Lakshman, you don't worry about your son. He is safe and sound in my house. So he is safe and sound in my house. You don't worry about your son. Now I will bring him back and hand over to you. So just I wanted to teach you a lesson that you should not teach anybody in your life. Okay, so that is the lesson I wanted to teach you now. Then Lakshman, he admitted his mistake. He admitted his mistake and he says, please forgive me. I have been greedy. I have learned my lesson now. I have learned my lesson now. Please excuse me or please pardon me. Or so some of you have to excuse me. I accepted my mistake. Like that Lakshman replied to the Maniram. So then this is one of the beautiful story. From this story, what we learned, children, we should not cheat anybody. If we cheated somebody, surely somebody will cheat us. That is the moral of this story. We should learn from it. Okay. I hope I am clear about the explanation. If you have any doubts about this lesson, please send me the message or you can phone call me and ask about your doubts. Okay. I hope I am clear. And meanings of these new words are here. So you can take down these all the meanings of the new words. Okay. So homework is, please write these new words meanings in your CW. You write there first on the top of the notebook, lesson number 1. Okay, lesson number 1, and the mice that ate iron, like that you write, and then you can write down those all the meanings. Is it clear for you all? So I hope I am clear today. If you have any doubts, please call me. Take care all of you. Have a nice day. See you in my next class. Okay.